10:37. It is windy as heck out. Just got home from the basketball game, and it is so windy. There's a derecho that is forming right now. This is gonna be pretty crazy. We're level 4 out of 5 risk. This is a random pop-up video. I'm sorry that this had to go like just up like this, but I just got back from a basketball game semifinal, so it's pretty like insane. I'm tired. I have a track meet tomorrow morning, but I gotta get some crazy video. We got a 4 out of 5 risk. We drove up from Champaign. No weather yet, but there's a derecho coming. Looking at tornadoes, high winds, and of course hail. So this could be a pretty insane night. It's 10:38 right now. I'm not expecting it to come near me in like 11:15, 11:30. It's like the warnings are extending in like DeSalle County right now, so we still got a while. I'll update you if I get any like more notifications on anything. And there is like a 5% chance I do fall asleep because I'm pretty tired. Just rain right now. But it's coming down out there.
Quite a bit of damage, so get to that interior room. Elgin, Downers Grove, Des Plaines, Chicago, this should arrive 12:38. So you've got a little bit of time before it arrives here in Chicago, but this is going to be a wicked line once this thing moves on through. So take the opportunity.
They just extended a tornado warning to like start of DuPage County, Kane. And it's coming in, so we're gonna have to take shelter probably soon. I would be surprised if there's gonna be a tornado warning in the next 20 to 30 minutes here. It's just heavy rain right now, no wind yet, but just a squall line coming. It's like weaker tornadoes right now though. I don't think they have the juice to produce a heavy tornado, but I can put it up on the screen. The big lightning strike right there. I'll put it up on the screen. It's a tornado warning extending from like Grundy, or no, it's Kendall in Kane County. So they got rid of the tornado warning. The rotation's weakened, but hey, this is first real good start to the severe weather calendar. But Southern Illinois, Arkansas, Missouri, bootleg that area, they got hit hard. I saw large, extremely dangerous tornadoes on the ground. We're still under severe thunderstorm warning tornado possible, but I doubt there's gonna be any spin-ups. Rotation's weakening. I'm just gonna be searching for like some maybe lightning now. I don't know. So we'll see. But like back to like Southern Illinois, Arkansas area. Yeah, they had like 2 large, extremely dangerous tornadoes on the ground. So huge outbreak there. We're doing more of like the derecho squall line effect. Like whereas like squall line moving a line through Chicago area, but they're seeing individual long track isolated supercells. And that's where you get the real powerful tornadoes. It's just raining right now. I got some lightning. There's some loud thunder. But there's not really been a lot of lightning within this storm. Some more isolated strikes, heavy downpours, and the wind's been acting up a little bit. Oh, there's a lightning strike. But usually some of the storms we've had in recent like videos, it's been like constant lightning. Like I've been like boom, 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 boom. That's been crazy. Like it's windy here. I might be able to get some lightning here. Looks like it's coming from that way. But if I get some lightning, that'd be sick. It's gonna be harder, like it's not as frequent, but all it takes is one good picture. Wind's starting to really pick up.
Also see
seeing some heavier signs of rotation. This is going to be heading toward Frankfurt, likely in the next 10 minutes or so. You're really going to...
Yeah, I don't know where that came from, so... I hear the wind. Yeah, it is super windy out. Alright, so this is pictures of the severe weather that hit at my school. So we see our high jump mats got blown from like 60 mile per hour plus winds, and then the fence kind of got knocked over by these straight line winds. It was like a severe storm with like 60 to 70 mile per hour. This was during the tornado warning, but it was just straight line winds, but no tornado actually touched down. I hope you enjoyed the video. This first one on the new channel, old channel got deleted. Don't know why, but we lost some old videos, which sucks, like from the old tornadoes, but I still got most of them. So I'm going to do some re-uploads of like 2024, 2023, 2022 storms. So I hope that you guys see that in the future, like once per month. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video.